Hey guys, my name is Aman and in this video I'm going to talk about some of the features of the Redmi 9 Activ. Let me tell you more about it. This phone has a slim build with a smart carbon black color. It has a 6.53-inch LCD screen with an HD+ display that provides incredibly clear viewing. This phone has a storage capacity of 128GB with an expandable memory of 128GB. This means that you have enough space to store all your data and carry it around in your pocket itself. It has 6GB RAM that allows smooth and quick functioning. This phone has a powerful 5000 mAh battery that can last up to 2 days. It supports nano dual SIM and features a dedicated SD card slot too. This phone has a 13MP plus 2MP dual rear camera with an AI portrait feature and a 5MP front camera that allows you to capture wonderful moments with uttermost clarity. I've been using this phone since 2 weeks and I'm really happy with its performance.